Oh, ow. To make sure this battery charger works. What we got? 13.08 volts. I want to make sure this charger is actually working. So I want to connect it up here. And it should read more than 13.08 volts, and then that would mean that the battery charger is charging. There we go, so it's charging at 14.25 at the minute, so we know the battery charger is working. Things I have to put up with. I don't know if you can even see it. The leaky roof. Okay, battery connected. Ignition. Functioning. And God, look at that. Yeah. And that. Right, so this comes up here.